Put together the interchangeable 2.0 hanging circle with me. We are going to start with putting glue on our base piece to put the overlaying pieces on top of that. You'll want to make sure that you put a good amount of glue on this. And make sure that before you glue everything onto it, that everything is aligned perfectly. Lathering more glue onto this so we can glue on the overlay. Once again, make sure that it's aligned perfectly. If it's not aligned perfectly, then your interchangeable pieces won't be able to fit properly onto your hanging circle. Now we're gluing on the overlaying piece onto the sign. We put a bit too much glue onto it, but that's no problem, we can just wipe it off. Now we're adding more glue for the second overlay. Once again, make sure that everything is aligned perfectly. Now we're going to be gluing on the sign onto the hanging circle. When gluing this on, you want to make sure that that edge matches that engrave. Here we're making sure that that measures 2 inches so the interchangeable piece will be able to fit. Moving on to the back of the circle, we're gluing down the brace piece and the squares where you're going to tie your strings onto. When you glue them down, make sure that they're aligned so when you hang it up, it doesn't look wonky. And there we have it. Thanks for tuning in, guys.